our animation, come to properties, give it an instance name. We'll call it dieRoll_MC, and you should always put this underscore plus the object type, BTN, IMG, or MC, because when you do that, and then you have an actions layer, which we are going to have, then when you call the object, it'll know what type of object. Flash will know what type of object you're referring to. So let's F9, and we'll put in stop again, and we will go ahead and call that object. And in this case, it's called dieRoll_MC. And when we press dot, you can see that because we told it it's a movie clip, it knows what to give us hints for. And we're going to say add event listener, and we're going to be looking for a mouse event, and that mouse event is going to be a click. And when we get that click, we're going to say start roll. Okay, and since we don't have a function start roll yet, let's create that function start roll. And this is an event, a mouse event, and it's returning nothing, so we get void here. And inside that function, get an open bracket, and let's see, what do we want to happen? Well, we want it to go to and play 7, but we need to tell it what is going to in playing 7, and that's dieRoll_MC. So we'll take the object dieRollMC, and we'll start at frame 7 of that object. Now we also want to remove the event listener that we just created above, so that it's not looking for a click to create start roll anymore, and instead we're going to have an event listener looking for the click, and its function will be stop roll. So function stop roll is also an event, and it's a mouse event, and it also returns nothing for value, so we get a void there. Open parentheses, dieRoll_MC, go to and play, go to and stop. We're going to want it to stop on one of the frames between 1 and 6. And we're going to give it a variable called stop frame. Let's get these two listeners and put them in the same spot, but this time we're going to remove the event listener that says stop roll, and we're going to add back in the event listener that's looking for the click that will start the start roll. Okay, we have almost everything done. We just need to define this variable. First we need to declare the variable. Variable stop frame is going to be a number. It's a new number with no value. Okay. Now we'll give it a value. Stop frame equals, it can be math.floor, open parentheses, math.random, open close times 6, and that's going to give us 0 through 5, so we're going to want to add 1. And that is probably going to work, but just in case I didn't declare that statement quite correctly, we're going to comment out this one and put in trace stop frame and check our programming. Control Enter opens up a test movie. I did something incorrect, so let's find out what it is. That's why I thought I might not have gotten the right number of parentheses in here, and that is in fact what I did. So let's do this. Try it again. Control Enter. As you can see in our output, we're getting the numbers that we wanted. Okay. Click that off and open up our actions layer again. Let's uncomment this and take out the trace. And my bet is that we're going to be working just exactly how I wanted it. And there you go. That's how you create a simple rolling die in Flash.